Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your ChatGPT subscription to Buddy so you can chat for free. In order to do that, you need to go to the settings in Buddy and click here on Bring Your Subscription. And here you can connect your OpenAI subscription to Buddy. But before you do that, we need to check one thing. I'll go to ChatGPT and I will go to the settings, to security and login, and scroll down. And I will make sure that enable device code authorization for codecs is on. Once it's on, I can go back to Figma and click connect. I can now log in to my ChatGPT account and click continue. Now it asks me for a device code. Here you can find your device code inside Buddy. So you can just copy and paste it right here. Now we're assigned to codecs. You go back here and you see that it's connected. Now you can chat for free using your ChatGPT subscription